Mobekai during I think the first round of the Ghana Premier League, and I say in the course of the 2023-2024 Ghana Premier League, no, Kotoko is showing interest in signing John Entry, but unfortunately, Sam not John Entry, a integral member of Drips FC side, are no more competing for the CAF Confederation Cup or Bodru semi-final. Zamalek, our JNE frame. Well, say you know, Dreams FC are confirming the availability of the player. Now Dreams FC then time no catch Kotoko say because of the CAF Confederation Cup no muntimi release player name Kotoko, but muntwen sa Kotoko betima twen after that now omaba for renegotiation so that they set up for a possible transfer to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But there is a big twist here. The only say Kotoko currently renege kakra on the John Entry move because of more renege and just more chicken or more nice kakra because of this reason I made basically the reason is that Kotoko I imagine said John Entry senior man fine player but Sir Kotoko in the first choice target omopa omunhia John Entry but sir first target for no anye adwuma so acquires a John Entry should be a plan B for them and they will go in for him but sir first target for now John Entry to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no nyade be materialize. Well, this is the explanation I was given when I asked about Kotoko Dreams FC. Still now, whether I say engineer man, I say engineer, but and reasons some of the minor things a twice just as first targets there is no way they will go for John Entry. But in the event this is a first targets no and time they are then they are going to fall back on John Entry for a possible move for Kumasi Asante Kotoko Metema Boys this year club no in Baye de